Welcome back. So here we go. I've decided to add this curl, and I've tucked it nicely in behind the head of the snake, and it's resting on that other curl, and it's also on the shank joint, and it's going to strengthen the whole thing. I quite like working with fine things, but that end up strong as well as fine. So here, oh, another boy, oh boy, tricky one. So this coil's going to heat up real quick. I'm going to pop my solder. Make sure it's borax. I like building things organically. Look, solder. Tuck it. Solder here. Tuck it. There. I'm going to put a bit there as well. That's the risky one, because this coil's going to heat up real fast. And I don't want the solder just to smear over the top of here, so I'm going to have to be real careful to heat this. So, let me go. It is all a wing and a prayer, guys. Just got to find a way to set things. So, I've got solder here, and solder there. Okay, let's see. Lights off. I'm going to fill my torch, just in case. Nothing worse than your torch running out of gas just at the critical moment. So, okay, as usual, I'm going to warm it from about 4 inches away. Watch for movement. You've got 3 tiny little things to look at. Be aware of your solder pieces, that if anything jumps, you could do these one at a time if you wanted to. You see, this wire is going to heat up real quick, but you've got to heat the whole body, because it's actually attaching to the back plate. Watch for movement. So I'm not directly touching that little coil of wire at all. See how it's going to heat anyway. There it goes. One down. Done. Did that one go? Add a tiny little bit. So you can always add. There it goes. See? Because I can't stand things that work loose and then catch on everything. So you've got to solder all your little tails down. I might bend this up and just solder that little bit there. But look. Oh, wow. I'll be so glad when this is done. has that soldered. Yes, there, look. Quench. So look what we got. See? That's soldered there. See? There's the solder. There's the solder joint there. And this, you can work harden this with a burnisher to make it springy so it's not going to be too weak. And that's soldered there, look. And that's soldered there. And that's made this whole thing just more stronger. And so I'll put it in the acid. I'm going to warm it up again and put it in the acid. I'm going to check my tail on that leaf. And back at you when it's clean and finished. Okay. Bye for now.